प्यार धोखा नफरत सब कुछ एक तरह का कॉम्बो है ये शो तो व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट थिंग अबाउट द शो दैट मेड यू से यस फॉर द शो
Like you.
When they were making the show, they already had us in mind, so we really didn't have to think much about it. All we did was we kept working along with the characters, along with the story. We kept working on ourselves because we had to mold ourselves in this character. So I think everything came along nicely and in a smooth way. Abruptly कुछ नहीं हुआ है कभी.
This question is for Jennifer ma'am. You have done Behad and now you have done Depana. So both of the shows sound like similar. You know.
Yeah, there is no similarity between the two shows at all.
ये तो मैं भी जवाब दे सकता हूँ. There's no similarity between both of them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
these two, there is no need for any comparison also, but I know comparisons will happen. The only similarity between the two shows is the bay that it has. Except for that, there is nothing similar in the show. Bepana is a story of love, is a story which is very intense. It's a complex story about relationships,
Yeah, yeah.
and how no matter how much you plan or no matter how perfect you think your life is,
Yeah, yeah.
if
There could be more. It's more about self-realization and then finding second chances in life. That's the whole concept of the show. That there are second chances. You have to stand up and take it, or find it and realize how it's to be taken. I think. Yeah.
we do. I
We
mean,
do
time
every
just
day,
fly
every
by,
day.
flies
Yeah,
by.
yeah.
I
हमें
mean,
पता
not
नहीं
only
लगा it's been
us,
so
but
long.
I think every actor in the show is
It's adding something
yeah.
to this journey, and it's beautiful. We all are loving it. We're having a very good time. It's like a family working together and making something beautiful. By the end of it हमें पता नहीं लगता कब हमारा शो खत्म हो गया, मतलब शूट खत्म हो गया और हम घर चले गए, अगले दिन वापस भी आ गए. It's beautiful. It's overwhelming right now.
Since the show took a little bit time to get launched, so do you think the excitement has died down or it's the same?
We did feel really bad, and everybody was low for the longest time, but eventually life is about second chances.
Since you guys have been good friends, but sharing the
See
same
again, like
screen.
just like I said, we knew somewhere that the show is being written and we are a probable cast for it. So we were working on it already, and we knew that if this show goes on air and everything, and we will be working together somewhere. It wasn't abrupt or a surprise for us, I think.
So talking about Sebans, at this point of career, why to choose Bepana when at the starting of the show the character will end? So why you chose to be part of it?
I don't know.
And I'm sure the fans
if you have seen me, I don't pick characters according to the longevity, how long they're gonna go. I pick my own characters. If I like the character, if it's for 1 month, 2 months, I pick it. That's what I've been doing all my career. You know, if you take Thapki, if you take any show, I like the character. I will do it even if it's for a week. For this, I'm leaving a lot behind for Zoya to figure out, and for Aditya also to figure out what really happened between two characters. So whatever part I have there, it's brilliant for me. I loved it when I heard it, and I want to do it because it's something he's giving away when he leaves. And if he doesn't leave, there's no Aditya and Zoya. So he has to leave something behind them for them to come close also. So I think it's an integral part of the show.
Have you both come across to heartbreaks in real life? And if yes, then how good
Have
are you
you?
both? Have you?
We
both
all have, yeah.
We all have, yes.
Exactly.
But how
Exactly.
good are you at dealing with such situations?
I think I say for myself, with every relationship, you learn a lot, and then you become stronger person, and then you, for the second relationship, you are more aware to make it work better. So it helps for everyone. I think it's for everyone. It's the same. It's the journey of life. Again, it's the journey of a relationship. You learn something, you do a better job next time. You learn more, then you do a better job third time. So second chances, always.
What is, according to you, what is the USP of the show that will drag the audience to this show?
USP. The USP of the show is none of the shows till now, according to me, has spoken about life or love after marriage of 5 years, or what happens after marriage, like what happens after happy ever after. It's about that. The show talks about what really happens in a marriage life. किस तरह से चीज़ें कम होने लगती हैं, किस तरह से ललनेस आ जाती है रिलेशनशिप में, लोग आपस में बात नहीं करते हैं. They love each other, they are together, but there is something which is falling apart, and they don't talk about it. Also, another thing which the USP is the second chance. Like nobody talks about second chances. लाइफ ख़त्म हो गई, मतलब पति मर गया, अब ज़िंदगी बेकार हो गई. यूजुअली जो हमारी औरतें हैं, इंडियन औरतें, उनको लगता है कि उनका पति मर गया तो उनकी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो गई है, कुछ नहीं करना है उनको, अब वो घर बैठ जाएं बेचारी. वैसे भी सती की प्रथा थी हमारे यहाँ, तो आप सोच सकते हैं. तो आई थिंक इट हेल्प्स यू to figure out that there are second chances. You can get up, you can find your life, and you can do something out of it. I think that's the USP of the show.
Will you go Bollywood film?
I don't know, when I get one, I'll do it.
But if you are interested,
Please take me, no?
I'm very happy and content with where I am right now. For me, acting, I
Yeah,
love
yeah.
acting.
Exactly.
The medium is not that important to me, but when I get to act, when I get to perform, that's when I'm the happiest. And मुझसे यहाँ acting करवा दो, मैं उसमें भी खुश हो जाऊँगी.
Do you think Bepana will manage to break the monotony right now on the TV screen?
We're
TV
hoping
show?
and praying. We're
We all of us are hoping, even Colors is hoping that, and as an actor we are hoping that. It's not in our hand. We will do our best, and let's hope for the best. And any final thoughts, please?
Just thank you for receiving the promo so well.
Yeah.
We really
Loving it.
hope that you like Bepana, because a lot of effort and hard work has gone into it. We
Yeah.
have an excellent team who work tirelessly to make sure that we get the soul of the show right.
Yeah,
It's
and give you exactly what you are looking for, or probably which you might like, or think that this is something different or new and appreciate it. So we are doing that, and I wish inshallah it works perfectly fine for all of us, even for you also. Like you also say कि यार ऐसा show नहीं देखा मतलब कभी. We have a feeling that you might say that, and we wish you say that.
Anything you want to add here?
Just that, yeah, we put in a lot of effort and hard work into it, and we know that we have a good product on our hands. From the channel really has loved the show. The production house is doing all that it can to make a good show, and even the actors. So I think it's teamwork, and I really hope and pray that the show, more than the success of the show, I hope that people get the message of the show.
Yeah, that's more important.
Hi, this is Jennifer Winget.
Hi, this is Seba Nazim, and you're watching Indian Wiki Media. Thank you so much.